Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Fair Value Study. Here is your US market recap for Tuesday, April 21st, 2026. Let us look at the closing numbers. The S&P 500 and the Dow both dropped 0.2%, while the Nasdaq managed to stay near the flat line. It was a volatile session driven by three major headlines. First, the Iran ceasefire crisis. The current ceasefire expires tomorrow, and tensions are at a breaking point. Peace talks in Islamabad hit a major snag after reports surfaced that the US has put negotiations on hold. In response, oil prices skyrocketed. Brent crude jumped 5% to nearly $100 a barrel, and WTI climbed to $94. President Trump added to the tension, stating the military is raring to go if talks fail. For investors, surging energy costs mean higher inflation and more pressure on the bottom line. Second, the Kevin Warsh confirmation hearing. The nominee for Fed Chair, Kevin Warsh, took the hot seat today. He sent a clear message of independence, saying absolutely not when asked if he would be a sock puppet for the White House. He also made a bold statement, saying inflation is a choice and the Fed must take responsibility for it. Traders are now reassessing how aggressive the Fed might be under his leadership, as he refused to promise any rate cuts in exchange for his nomination. Third, a historic shift at Apple. Tim Cook is stepping down as CEO. Hardware chief John Ternus will take the reins on September 1st, while Cook transitions to executive chairman. Remarkably, Apple shares remain steady. This suggests the market was well prepared for this handoff and has full confidence in Ternus. All eyes now turn to Apple's earnings call on April 30th. Looking ahead, we have United Airlines reporting after the bell. Their results will give us a first look at how rising fuel costs are impacting the travel sector. Bottom line, today's dip was fueled by geopolitical fear rather than a change in economic fundamentals. Tomorrow will be all about those last-minute developments in Islamabad. That is your recap for today. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to Fair Value Study. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Stock investing involves risk. Please conduct your own research before making any investment decisions.